Become mighty again. With myTpen exams, you can manage every type of assessment, whether online, in class, or hybrid. myTpen supports each format with workflows designed specifically for it. In this video, we'll see how to conduct a secure online test with automatic evaluation and AI proctoring. Start by creating a new MCQ exam and filling in all the required details. Enter the exam title, then adjust the duration in minutes if needed. You can also enable negative marking for incorrect answers. The easiest and fastest way to create your exam is by using extract from text. Simply copy questions from any existing question paper and paste them here. Click on Generate Questions, and myTpen instantly creates all the questions. Then review them and make sure the correct options are selected. You can also manually add or edit questions at any time. Whether it's languages, science, or mathematics, myTpen supports all global languages, math expressions, and operators, making it easy to conduct exams for any subject. Click on Create Exam to publish it. Once your exam is ready, share the exam code or the link with students. Students do not need to create an account. They simply enter their details and start the exam instantly. Every student is monitored during the exam. If suspicious activity is detected, the system can automatically remove the student from the exam. As soon as students submit, scores are generated instantly and become visible on the submissions page. You can also review the student response and export all exam data into Excel for deeper insight, analysis, and reporting. You're not average anymore. You are a mighty teacher.